Hi there. To make a grid on Google Docs, you need to insert a table. Click on Insert, go to Table, and choose the number of row and column you need. Here it is. If you need to expand the grid to fill the page more or make the grid cells bigger, drag down the bottom like this one. Inside the cell, click on the Distribute row. Here is the grid. If you want, you can merge some cells like this one. To change the outline of the grid, go to Format, Table, Table Properties, go to Color. I'm going for a light gray. So here it is. The grid is faded in a nice gray. You can insert more row column like this one. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.